Forex market situation update. Hello traders, welcome back. Friday today, according to our calendar week. It's the last day for the week, and we want to follow up right here with the Euro Canadian, which it's presenting some interesting moments right now. It's just barging through that door called 49.31, which we've mentioned, and as you can see, we're holding tight here. In fact, it's time to push the position a little bit bigger just before we're about to land, right? We're about 40 pip from the target. Target is 48.37, and it was a nice, I mean, I don't want to sum it up, you know, not just yet, but at least up to this point, it's been pretty nice move. It was a smooth ride, and we're getting closer to the target. You can actually see our footprint on this campaign, right? It started when price crossed back below 50.15. We were already suspicious that this was not a legit breakout. You know, this was a bullish trap. And when price broke down, of course, we started to open fire. So that was the first one. Then, of course, price broke below 49.31. It just happened a couple of days ago. And we landed a second shot. You can see those trades right there. So right after this video, we're going to activate a third trade here. And we're going to try to knock off that 48.37 with some weight on our shoulders, if you know what I mean. Stop loss level also, we're going to have to adjust slightly by 50 pip to 150. So we're skipping over that 50.15 level that we used for protection. Now it's all about 49.31 that should do the job. I don't foresee price turning around and going towards that level, although it might happen, of course. Price might want to retest that same level that it broke a couple of days ago. But at the end of the day, we think price is going to be hurrying up towards that 48.37 just because of the nature of that high it came from. Again, that high was such a deceptive move. It was such a trap, right? Attracting a lot of buyers and then turning around violently. So not only I think it's going to hit that 48.37, I'm pretty sure it's going to go beyond. And if you think about it, we got that big picture. I mean, that's where we're coming from. If you remember, we kind of speculated that price. By the way, today is the last day of the month, right? So if you remember, if you go back, you know, long enough, not too long though, we've been speculating that price, by breaking 48.31, again that same level last month, was showing that strong indication for pursuing that move all the way to the lower section of this massive trading range that goes back all the way to 2015. And so the speculation was that this month, even though was pretty explosive at the beginning of it, right? I mean, to the other direction, of course, it went up. Now pulling back down in such a fashion, leaving that big mark, right? The huge spike. We suspect, and we speculated that pretty much from the get-go, the price was going to end this month below 48.31 here. And again, it only has one day to do that, right? Just today. 40, 43, 44 pip to go. I mean, obviously, that's not too ambitious of a move for the Euro Canadian to hit in a single day. But I don't know if it's going to happen or not. If it will, again, huge sign for price just to continuing this downside trend. All right. Now, the vice versa, of course, if price makes it and manages to close that monthly bar above 48.31, it could actually suggest that price might be on its way up for a more sustainable kind of move. All right, so it's going to be super interesting to follow up on the situation here. For now, we're just focusing on the big next one, the next big one, which is 48.37. But after that, we're going to have to come back with a follow-up kind of game plan for the Euro Canadian, right? So I'm pretty sure we're gonna do that. Anyway, that's about that for this one, Euro Canadian. We're gonna be analyzing the twin brother of this one, which is the Pound Canadian, the next one. So stay tuned.